Hello and welcome to Ocean Academe Calculus 12. Absolute Extrema. Example. Given the function f of x equals x to the power 3 minus 12x plus 1 on the interval minus 3 to 1, what is the absolute extrema? First, let's find the critical points. We take the first derivative, so f prime x would equal 3x squared minus 12. And we set that equal to 0 because we need to determine what our x value is. So we've got 3x squared equals 12. X squared will equal 4. So our x will equal plus or minus 2. As I said, those are our critical points. Now we need to test our critical points and our endpoints, which are minus 3 and 1. So first let's take our minus 3. And we plug our minus 3 into our original equation. We get a value of 10. Then let's plug in our 1 and we get a value of minus 10. Now let's move to our critical points. If we plug in minus 2, we get a value of 17. And if we plug in 2, we get a value of minus 15. So what is this telling us? Well, we look to our extremes. So we've got a minus 15. Now the only problem there is that it is not in our interval. Our interval only goes from minus 3 to positive 1. 2 is outside of that, so we can just disregard that. So our new low value is minus 10. That is in our interval, so that would be our absolute minimum would be at 1. So we've got 17. 17 is greater than 10. So this is telling us that we've got an absolute max at minus 2.